Best Black Friday deals 2024 on small appliances, coffee makers, air fryers, blenders, more. Looking for the best Black Friday deals on small appliances this year? Let's break down the top products so you can make an informed choice. First up, the Keurig K-Mini Plus. At $59.99, it's $30 off its regular price of $89.99, available at Target. This compact coffee maker is perfect for small kitchens, with features like a removable reservoir, height-adjustable drip tray, and auto-shutoff. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and a reliable choice for consistent cup sizes. Keep in mind, you'll need a Target Circle membership to snag this deal. Next, the Silent Ice Maker Slim 01B, priced at $88.22, down from $109.98 on Amazon. This countertop ice maker can make 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. It features self-cleaning functionality and offers options for large or small ice cubes. Available in 7 colors, it's perfect for anyone wanting fresh ice on demand. It's just $5 more than the lowest price seen this year, making it a solid deal. The Keurig K-Slim is priced at $79.99, marked down from $129.99 on Amazon. It's a sleek, 5-inch wide single-serve coffee maker, offering 4 brew sizes, a removable reservoir, and an adjustable drip tray. While it delivers speed and ease of use, its temperature consistency can be a bit off. Still, a great choice for compact spaces. For air fryer enthusiasts, the NuWave Brio Plus 37401 is $89.99, a $10 discount from its usual $99.99 price on Amazon. With a 2.9 quart capacity, it's perfect for small portions or meals for 1 or 2 people. It features 100 programmed cook settings, 50 memory slots for preferences, and is dishwasher safe. It's also a quiet operator with easy-to-use controls. At $59.95, the Cuisinart CPT 415 Countdown Metal 2-Slice Toaster is a great deal, down from $110, and available on Wayfair. It features settings for bagels, defrost, and reheat, with exceptional precision in toasting. Plus, it comes with a longer-than-average 3-year warranty. Finally, there's the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender, priced at $99.99, $20 off its regular price of $119.99 on Amazon. This 1,400-watt blender offers 7 speeds and presets for smoothies, ice crush, and ice cream. It's great for large portions, meal prep, and comes with a removable blade and recipe guide. Just note, it was priced $10 lower recently, so it may drop again. Whether you're looking for a compact coffee maker, an ice maker for entertaining, or a versatile blender, these Black Friday deals cover a range of needs and budgets. Happy shopping!